Morning, Steve Free in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Well, news overnight's relatively quiet. We've got beans down a couple of cents, corn and wheat's up about a penny. We saw a big decline in open interest yesterday. Continue to see liquidation of the May contracts, but bean open interest was down 16,000 contracts, oil 13,000, corn 24,000, and wheat 17,000. Mostly a weather market yesterday with comments that we could see some wet weather over the next 2 weeks across most of the Midwest. There was talk that this may cause some disease problems in the soft red winter wheat, could cause late plantings of the corn, and could cause late plantings of spring wheat both in U.S. and Canada. In the U.S. that could shift some more acres from wheat to beans or from corn to beans. And so we had a little short covering in the corn and wheat and a little bit of more selling in the beans. Funds yesterday sold 6,000 beans, but they also bought 27,000 contracts of corn and 8,000 contracts of wheat. For the last few weeks, though, we've been kind of stuck with the same fundamentals every day, that there's a record global supply that limits the upside in prices, and there's record demand, the funds are short, and we don't know what the weather's going to be like this summer. That kind of limits the downside. Monday might be a pretty important day as far as the market price discovery is concerned, because if we have a 2-week forecast that continues to be wet, you could see some more short covering in the corn and wheat, and we might be getting up into some prices then that the farmer could be a seller of this record amount of corn that they still own from last year, and the corn they haven't priced for the crop they're planting right now. And then we could also see some buying in the wheat. It's been the weakest link in the three commodities because of too much global supply and cheaper Russian offers. But besides the U.S., the wheat market's also watching the European dryness and maybe some dryness that's leaking into Russia. So we'll see if that has any impact. We also note that from an export price, U.S. is competitive to Brazil as far as beans are concerned. We're competitive to on the corn market, or pretty close as far as Brazil and Argentina is concerned, and our wheat prices are competitive to the Black Sea. So again, not a lot of new news, but it's that time of year in which the markets could move pretty quickly and volatile because of the weather situation. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services. Have a safe and profitable trading day.